Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to save tweets for later, so you can store them away and find them in the near future. Now it's a very easy process, so let's get straight into it. The first thing that you want to do is open up your mobile device and open up the X application. Now as you can see right here, we are on our Twitter feed. Now let's keep scrolling and let's say I want to actually save this tweet from Jordan Peterson. Now, what I want to do, I want to open up the tweet, scroll down till you see the 5 options. Now, as you can see right here, the little bookmark icon here, I can post, edit to your bookmarks. And as you can see, add to a folder. I can make specific folders, but I need the premium version of X. Now, I can do maybe later. Now, how to find these bookmarks? It's very easy. You simply close down the post, and from there you go to the top left corner where your profile picture appears, and here right below premium we have the bookmarks option. And as you can see here, I just opened my bookmarks and there's the tweet that we've just saved. Now if you have a bunch of bookmarks and you want to search it, simply go down and open up Jordan, press search, and as you can see here it pops up. Now it's easy as that. If this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.